Hi, welcome to Math 121, Section 505. This is College Algebra. My name is Stacy Norrie, and I'm just going to give you a little tour of how our class is organized. Okay, but before we do that, I'm just going to do a little bit about me. Okay, I am a mom to two boys. My favorite food is grilled cheese with chocolate and bacon coming in a very close second. For fun, I really like to play board games. Pictured here is Ticket to Ride. It's one of my favorites. I am attempting to get into triathlons a little bit more, as I have a picture there of my first one. I went to Cal Poly San Luis Obispo for school. Um, on the side, I also am a certified child passenger safety technician, which means I can check and install car seats and answer any questions people have about them. And then last but not least, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I love it. Books, movies, everything. So that's a little bit about me. Okay. And one of the first things in our class is going to be to get to know you a little bit. Okay. So first, under course materials and content, okay, you can kind of see what is happening each week on the side here, right? There's week one. Okay. And so week one, the very first discussion is going to be an introduction discussion. I want you to introduce yourself to the class, right? Why you're taking it, what, degree are you pursuing or certificate, and what do you like to do for fun, right? Let's get to know you a little bit, okay? In general, every week's content will have a summary at the top, okay? So the things that are due and expected for this week, okay? So things for the first week are going to be due on 2/11, which is Monday as well. And the reason I am doing Monday is that sometimes my math lab does have problems on Sunday nights, right, because of their updates. Okay, so please do not wait until the last day to start your homework. Okay, so our very first things are by Friday, enroll in my math lab. That is going to be a homework assignment. I'm counting it as a grade. Okay, and then we have 3 sections during this first week for both homework and quizzes. Okay, and you also have 2 discussions as well as an email assignment. I know it seems like a lot. The beginning there is a little bit more work than other weeks. Okay. Each discussion is graded upon a rubric. If you ever want to see what that rubric is, you can go to Progress and Rubrics. It's also in each discussion. Okay, so you can click on the discussion. Going back to the content, most of the stuff that you need to get started is under Getting Started. Okay, so first we have our syllabus. Okay, it has all of the due dates and section outlines on it, right, as well as the policies for the course. This is an online course, so technical difficulties is not an acceptable answer. Okay, if your computer's not working, you really need to get to a library or fix it. Okay, if you're having internet problems, again, go somewhere with internet. If you have a laptop, take it to Starbucks. Go to the library. Go somewhere with internet access. Okay. It also has our discussion guidelines, general policies on how to interact in an academic setting. Okay. A little bit more about me. The best ways to reach me. So first, I am based on the Larimer campus. So if you're ever around, feel free to stop in and say hi. Okay. I work in the Math Support Center on campus on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday mornings. And I also have on-campus office hours on Tuesday, Wednesday night, as well as an online office hour on Sundays on WebEx. Okay. And email whenever you feel like it, 24/7, send me an email and I'll answer it as soon as I can. Okay. The Front Range email is the best way to contact me. For office hours, you just go ahead and click that link under the Getting Started, and it has all the information for the online office hours for Sunday nights. Going back to that Getting Started, right? Also has a little bit here about solving technical problems and tips for success in a math class. Okay. So that's the getting started and the week 1 modules. Our very first exam is on March 1st. Okay. So if you click on exam 1 in the content modules, it tells you every section that the exam is on. Okay. You are allowed a 3x5-inch note card for every exam. Okay. And then under this exam module, I also have skills for exam 1 and the solutions for it. Okay, so feel free to open those. All of our homework and quizzes are on my math lab. So I don't know if you saw that on the very front page. We have My Math Lab Plus. Okay, you can go ahead and click that, and it will take you to the online homework, videos, and quizzes. When you are working on homework, so for example, I'm just going to bring up a homework assignment. Yours will not quite look like this. I'm just going to pick chapter 10 as an example. There's the 10.1 homework. Okay. If you ever get stuck on a question, you can go over to question help. The best options are basically anything except for help me solve this. That one will use up your attempts. Okay. View an example will give you a very similar example. Ask my instructor will literally screenshot your question and send it to me. So feel free to do that as many times as you need to. I am here to help you. Okay. If you ever have a question about homework or quizzes, again, email anytime. Okay. Moving on. You can check your grades under progress. Okay. Right, all the modules here. I'm also going to start a resource module, okay, with things like the phone number for counseling if you need it, the phone number for the food bank if you need it, okay, and other resources. Okay. So for your very beginning, go ahead and look through the syllabus. If you have any questions on it, feel free to talk to me. Okay. One of the things that is just to be aware of, week 1 there's an email assignment. It's on the very bottom of the week 1 module here. Okay. Is to email me 5 to 10 sentences about how you currently feel about mathematics. So it is something that I will be looking forward to reading from you. And then in week 2, okay, so all of our tests are on campus. They are paper tests in the testing center. And so in order to get the test taken, you need to register with which location that you will be at. And so all you have to do is click this survey, fill it out, and it will send me your location so I know where to put your test. Okay. Okay. I hope you have a great start for this week. If you need any help, questions, go ahead and contact me. Okay. I'm on my email all of the time. D2L internal messages are a little bit slower because I have to be at a desktop in order to answer them. Okay. And I do have a voicemail as well if you ever want to leave a message, because I cannot call back, but I can take messages on it. So yeah, happy spring semester. Okay.